Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. At the first, let me introduce myself. My name is Almahi Tasha Ayyuba, and I am from 1C RMIK. My student number is P13374371122. And in this part, I want to share with you what is the 5 senses of human body. Okay, to the next slides. Humans in general have 5 senses that are very functional in responding to stimuli. The 5 senses that function well will make it easier for our bodies to respond according to desire or instinct. Therefore, these 5 senses can be said to be organs of the human body that can connect the brain with other body parts. Members of the human body will respond according to what is ordered by the brain. However, do you know what the 5 senses in humans and what are their functions? So in this picture, we have 5 senses of the human body. At the first is the eye to see. The second is the nose for sense of smelling, and the third is mouth for sense of taste. The fourth, they are ears for the sense of hearing, and the last one is sense of the touch. Okay, the first we have sense of sight. The eyes part is sclera, cornea, iris, pupil, retina, and the others. The eyes sit in the orbit of the skull, protected by bone and fat. The sclera is the white part of the eyes. Its function is to protect the interior structure and surround the circular portal formed by the cornea, iris, and pupil. Next, the cornea is a transparent to allow light to enter the eye, and curved to direct it through the pupil behind it. The pupil is actually an opening in the colored disc of the iris, and the iris dilate or constrict, adjusting how much light passes through the pupil and onto the lens. And the last is retina, is a delicate membrane of nerves. Next, we have sense of hearing. The process of hearing begins with the sound that is around in the form of vibration or wave captured by the outer ear. Then the vibrations are transmitted to the ear canal so that it puts pressure or a blow on the eardrum or tympanic membrane. When the eardrum vibrates, the vibrations are transmitted to the eardrum. The ossicle amplifies this vibration and transmit them to the inner ear. When it reaches the inner ear, the vibrations are converted into electrical impulse and sent to the auditory nerve in the brain. The brain will then translate this impulse as sound. Keep in mind that the ear not only functions as the main organ of the sense of hearing, but also plays a role in maintaining the balance of the body. Sense of touch. Skin consists of 3 major tissue layers. The outer is epidermis, and the middle is dermis, and the inner is hypodermis. Epidermis consists of millions of skin cells bound by lipids, serve as protection from water, infection, and other external things. Next is dermis, is the layer beneath the epidermis that holds various functions. So the hypodermis layer is the deepest layer of human skin, which consists of fat cell, peripheral nerve endings, blood vessel, and lymph vessel. Sense of smell. The sense of smell, also known as the olfactory system, is the sensory system that functions to smell odor. This system will receive, process, and interpret the aroma that we breathe. These 5 senses are also known as chemical sensors. The mechanism of the sense of smell begins when the nose smells a certain scent. Cells in the nose, called olfactory cells, process and direct it to the brain for translation. The last is sense of taste. The tongue is the sense of taste in humans. On the surface of the tongue there are small protrusions called papillae, so that the surface of the tongue looks rough. The tongue is a sense of taste can feel the sweet taste on the tip of the tongue, salty and sour taste on the edge of the tongue, and bitter taste at the base of the tongue. Okay guys, there are the 5 senses of human body. I think that's enough and thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.